channel. My name is Melissa. This is Sandra. And we are the best roommates anyone could ever ask for. Today we're having a Halloween themed date night. So right now we are at Walmart, and what we're gonna do is Sandra is gonna shop for a Halloween outfit for me, and I'm gonna shop for a Halloween outfit for Sandra. And then we're gonna go to the snack aisle and pick out some snacks for tonight, whip them up, and then watch a Halloween movie tonight. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. But real quick, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell on the side so you don't miss whenever I upload new videos, and let's go ahead and go shopping. Okay, we're in the store and we're looking for Halloween attire. Oh. Yes! Oh, these are cute. Shorts. They have a cute little sweater.
Oh, they're all shorts.
Creepy, I'm real. Oh, creeping it real. You glow girl.
Oh my god, my sword!
They have Halloween leggings. They're kind of cute. You want a Halloween scrunchie?
You are the troll in my life.
You're a troll. I think I might get her the Stitch one because she loves Stitch. So I think I might just get her that. Okay. You go with that one?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah. Because you and your Hocus Pocus.
Stop. Right. Open. Just grab something. Yeah. We got cinnamon ice cream. Actually be good though. I'm kind of excited to try that cinnamon ice cream. Alright, now we're gonna go down the other aisle and we'll pick something. I don't have Halloween cookies, so that looks good. The fudge filled brownie.
Fudge filled brownie, I can grab it. Which one?
The fudge filled brownie.
Okay.
Stop! Left. Yep. Oh wait, keep going. No. There was something in here. Stop. Left. As you guys can see, I'm sporting really cute Hocus Pocus themed PJ set. Sandra's sporting the Lilo and Stitch Halloween set. So now we're going to bake the snacks that we got, put on a movie, and get this spooky evening started.